Adventure van update, y'all. Here's all the stuff that was in the box. Looks like it's going to be a IKEA type project with all those nuts and bolts, all that good stuff. As long as you have rain gutters on your van, this should work for you. Just do this 3 more times, and the rods that go between these are telescopic, so I'm going to leave them a little bit loose so I have a little bit of play. Okay, these bars are going to bolt in right here. The bar itself is telescopic, so you can get the right length. Alright, so here's how we're looking so far. Installation is really pretty simple. Doesn't take long at all. That hole where the bar telescopes, you've got to drill a hole and put a bolt there. Alrighty then, that was a pretty easy install. If you're looking for a roof rack for your van, as long as you've got those rain gutters around your van, this will work.